Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are looking for a digital calendar to keep your family organized, there are more options than ever in 2026. So in today's video, we will be taking a look at the 5 of the best digital calendars and we will see what makes each one stand out. So first of all, if you want something simple, Skylight Calendar is one of the easiest options to set up. You can quickly sync the family schedules, you can manage the chores and keep everything on the same page without spending much time learning the system. Now, Cozilla is a good choice if you want more than a calendar. Along with scheduling features, you can install the apps and then you can use it more like a large smart tablet. It is going to give you the greater flexibility, but also comes with a few more settings to manage. Then we have Hearth display that focuses on the family routines and responsibilities. If you have a busy household and you want a central place for schedules, tasks, and daily planning, this option is designed with the keeping the families in mind. Then we have dartboard. So if customization is important for you, dartboard stands out here. You can create a personalized dashboard with calendars, photos, weather updates, to-do lists, and much more. It offers plenty of freedom, but usually requires more setup. Last but not the least, we have Mango display that works well if you already have a screen that you want to use. It is going to let you build a calendar dashboard with the widgets, photos, and reminders while giving you flexibility to arrange everything the way you like. So the real question here is which one should you choose? So you can choose Skylight for simplicity, Cozilla for versatility, Hearth for family management, Dartboard for customization, and Mango display if you want a flexible dashboard on your existing screen. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.